Is everything ready? I'll be there in the next 20 minutes. Get everyone seated. No late coming. Is the presentation ready? Good. That is what I want to hear. Wake up.
Wow.
Get up.
Wow. You guys are up already?
Reasonable people are up and working. Only lazy artists like you are still in bed. Out.
Just like that. Come on. We had a good night yesterday. We can still have something, quick, fast.
You had what you had. Get used to it. And get out.
Why?
This is never happening again.
Come on. Tell me you did not enjoy it last night. Come on.
Should I call it, please?
Fine. I'll leave. Easy. Let me put my shoe.
Go on downstairs.
Have you heard from Sandra?
Thank you, love. Sandra, that one. No, I haven't. But don't worry, very soon she'll have an episode with her husband and come running to us looking for somewhere to hide. I don't understand. I wonder why she just chose that life. She could have done something better with her life, rather than sticking herself with a cheating fool in the name of being married.
Such is life. We all know what we want now, don't we? I guess she knows what she wants and she chooses to be married. So let her enjoy the marriage.
Ha! Enjoy.
And she should enjoy her marriage now. Nobody who first married carry first too.
I mean. finally home.
Yeah. Anytime my house smells different, you can only be Sunday.
What are friends for if not for inconveniences? Don't worry, one day, you and Matilda is going to look for me. And trust me, you guys are not going to see me. So you guys should better do and go and get married.
Married.
Mm-hmm.
So we can end up like you. No, thank you. But we're good. We're living good and we're having fun.
Girl, you guys can't continue living like this.
I should say the same thing to you. You cannot continue to live like this, being with a man who's a cheat. And let me guess, you coming here today is because you've gotten with someone, so you're looking for somewhere to go, Abby?
Babe, don't insult my husband.
And don't insult Matilda and me.
I don't blame him. She is me that used to come here and cook for you girls. No problem.
You know we love you.
Remove your leg, jolly me alone.
Well, thank you. I know my kitchen is filled with food.
Well, I've separated your own from Matilda, so you take it to her.
Oh, thank you. That's so good of you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm going to take it to her tomorrow morning.
All right.
Oh, really? Tell me, how are you?
I'm fine. Just hanging in there.
Are you sure? You know you can do whatever you want to do, right? You can get a job. Just do something with your hands. And Matilda and I are there to help you. Right? You can't continue to waste your emotions on a man who's not worth it.
Okay. Maybe when you find a husband, get married, then we can talk. But now, what can a single girl advise a married woman if not to leave her husband?
Mm-hmm. Wow, really? Sure, we are here. We'll see how it ends.
Anyways, I miss you girls.
I miss you too. Come with me. I have things in the room. A lot of things for you to take.
Okay. Bribery and corruption.
It did not start with me. Oh. Let's go. All right.
Oh my God. This is where this ends.
Why?
Get out. I don't answer to anyone. I think I made a mistake giving you my spare key.
I mean, if you only picked your phone call, you would not have been here having this conversation right now.
I'm not obligated to answer your call. You don't need money because money is not your problem. I always make sure you have money in your bank account. So, what are you doing here?
Anyway, I know you're too busy to know what the calendar says, but I'm done with my youth service. I'm here to get a job if my sister will help me.
Your words are not enough. You should have sent a test.
I wanted an instant answer. I wanted a face-to-face conversation with you.
And that does not give you the right to walk into my house without informing me.
Why? Because of the type of lifestyle you live, huh?
My lifestyle is not your business. Have you eaten?
Oh, is that your care or your frustration speaking?
Both.
Anyway, I've not eaten, Sha. I mean, can I follow you? Hi, good morning.
Good morning. And you are?
Kamsi.
Kamsi.
Yeah.
I see.
I'm good. Have a seat.
My goodness, where did you find him? Please tell me, he's so cute. Where did you find him?
What are you talking about?
The guy washing your car. My God.
Are you okay? My friend, get that thought out of your head. Kamsi is my kid brother.
Your kid brother?
You really have a kid brother like that and you didn't tell anyone?
Are you mad? Like I said, get that thought out of your head.
When did he come in?
Yesterday. Don't worry. He's leaving today.
Oh no, I'm not worried at all. Oh yeah, he's your kid brother, so hands off.
Better. I saw you with the food flags. Sandra has delivered, right?
Ah, of course, you know now. I'm famished, please. I'm ready to eat. Are you ready?
Of course,
yeah, please, just dive in. You know Sandra now.
But the food is delicious.
Oh yeah.
Have you packed your bags? You're leaving today.
Yeah, no.
This evening.
And now I'm leaving this evening. Leave on back safe.
Okay.
Come on. Let the boy rest for a few days before he leaves. He just got here last night.
He has no business coming in unannounced. He actually busted my game yesterday. Let go. Let him go. He can't stay here. You know how they run out things now? Well, once I get a job for him, he can come and stay.
Oh, he's here to get a job.
Yeah. He just finished youth service. He's looking for a job.
I see. Well, I don't think a day or two would hurt, but, well, you said he's your brother, so...
Babe, I get plans for this weekend though. I beg, he should just go, I beg, or make it just go. I don't want wahala. Make it carry wahala, because I don't want trouble. Maybe only me get brother. I believe you have all the money you need and more. I don't want you ever coming to the house unannounced. When I get to a job, I will call you.
Happy, let's go somewhere.
I don't want to miss my boss.
If you still need to travel after I speak with you, believe me, I'll take you to the village myself. Hopping, you're not a child.
Fine.
This is my home. You're welcome.
At this point, I don't even know what I'm doing here. Like, I can't believe I'm here right now. What am I even doing here? I can't believe this.
I don't believe it either, but instead of trying to figure out what's going on, why don't we just go with the flow and see how it goes?
Olivia, what do you want from me?
I don't know. But I find you attractive. I like you.
My sister is gonna eat you raw. Trust me.
I know, but I'm willing to take that risk. Just 1 week, and after 1 week, you'll be a free man. Besides, you're not a child anymore. You're old enough to know what you want and make a decision for yourself.
1 week it is. Alright. Anyway, got a pretty place here though. Nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Well, make yourself at home. I'll show you to your room.
Okay, sure, thank you. After you.
Yeah, so this is where you'll be staying. This is your space.
Not bad.
So, yes, your sister would definitely get you a job. She's not mincing words. But I can get you a job faster. Just 1 week.
So what do I have to do to make this happen?
Stay with me.
That's what?
Whatever you think, just stay with me.
Look, Olivia, I'm not a child, okay? I know the type of life you and my sister live. Do you want me to live that kind of life with you?
I don't know the kind of life you think we live. And I don't know why I'm making this proposal to you. But there's something about you. So just give me 1 week, okay?
So, where do I tell my sister I am?
You handle your sister and I'll handle the job.
You know that I'm not going to do anything with you, right?
I haven't asked you to do anything with me. Just stay here.
And you think she will not find out?
She will only see a man who wants to be seen.
You called me a man.
Because you're way over a boy.
Hi, what's up? I'm hanging out tonight. Will you join me? Why? I thought we agreed not to work on weekends. So you expect me to hang out alone tonight? So, why can't you join me after your meeting? Alright.
Kamsi?
Hey, Olivia, you didn't knock.
Come, put on a shirt, please.
It's my room, right? Why are you here? You want to talk to me about something? Talk to me.
go to this address. They'll be expecting you at 10. Everything is sorted, so you should get the job today.
Wait. I'm getting the job already. It's just 2 days.
Yeah.
Instead, you're promising me forever. Thank you.
Your sister and I are different, okay? She could get to a job today if she wanted, but I guess she has her reasons.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I didn't know I had this much effect on you, though.
What?
Have a wonderful day ahead.
Yeah.
Hello, Mama. My brother, are you saying Kamsi is not with you? I don't understand. Kamsi left 2 days ago. I personally dropped him off. Mama, are you saying Kamsi is not in the village with you? Where the hell is this boy? Excuse me, who are you?
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And I ask again, who are you?
I live in this house and I've not seen you before, so I should be asking you, who are you?
I am Sandra, Olivia's friend.
Oh, hi, Sandra. I'm Kamsi, Olivia's friend.
Olivia doesn't keep male friend in the house.
Do I look like a female to you?
Welcome back, Olivia.
Thank you. I see you've met Kamsi.
Yes. And he and I have been talking.
I see.
And I think you and I need to talk.
Sure.
Let's go. Sit. What's going on?
I don't understand.
Kamsi said he's Matilda's younger brother. So I ask again, what is going on?
Nothing.
Nothing. Does Matilda know that her younger brother is here? And you think that's cool? Babe, what are you up to? Matilda is your friend. Or do you want to make things bad? From the look of things, you gave this guy like 15 years. So this boy is a small boy. What are you doing with him?
I don't know what I'm doing with him, okay? But I like him. And I want to help him get a job. Is there something wrong with that?
There's nothing wrong with that. But you doing it behind her back means you have an ulterior motive.
I know. But I don't know how to communicate that to Matilda. I asked her to let the boy stay for a few weeks, but she didn't want to do that.
Are you for real? Do you know what I think? I think you should let that guy leave to the village. Matilda is your friend. And you won't want Matilda to have your head, do you? Babe, there's limits to stupidity. Let this boy leave. You and Matilda have come a long way. Don't spoil things.
Matilda.
Can you imagine that idiot? That brother of mine. If I lay my hands on him, I'm going to kill him.
Good evening to you too, Matilda. Hi.
What's good about the evening? I sent my brother to the village 2 days ago. Now he's not in the village. And he's not even picking my calls.
Brother? You didn't tell us you have a brother.
Yes, I have a brother. He just finished youth service. He's searching for a job. I'm supposed to get him a job. And I'm already working on it. I sent him to the village. He has not gotten to the village. Now my mom is calling and troubling my life.
I hope he's okay. I really hope he's alright. I told you to let that boy stay for a bit.
I wanted to let him stay, but you know now. Stop acting like this. You know what's up.
So what are you going to do now?
Let me call him again. At first it was ringing, now he has switched off the phone.
I really hope he's okay.
I have a police friend I'm supposed to see. Let me go see him and see if we can track him.
Okay, that's great. And while you're on that, I'll also go through my contacts and we'll see what comes up.
Matilda, you really need to calm down.
Sandra, sorry I didn't acknowledge you. I need to find this boy. And when I find him, he will get it hot with me.
Babe, you really need to send this guy home. Matilda is not someone you want to have a show with.
So, how did your interview go?
Very well. Everything is fine so far. I'm just waiting for their call back.
That's good. I'm sorry your sister barged in on us today.
Yeah, no, it's fine. It was bound to happen. I think you should tell her the truth.
Matilda will not understand no matter what. And to be honest, I don't know how to begin to explain.
I think I should give her a call. She's pretty worried, you know. I'll just tell her that I'm in one of my friends' places in one of the villages, you know. I think that would ease her attention, you know.
I think that should work.
Right? I think I should do it now or something, yeah?
Where are you?
Yeah, I heard you're looking for me.
Makachuku, if you do not start talking now, you will not like what will happen.
Whenever you call my full name, it means you're really, really angry. Anyway, I didn't go back to the village straight. I went to my friend's place in Moko town. You know, I didn't want to go back to the village directly. And not be as if I went for NYS and came back jobless.
And you could not call Mama to inform her. And you did not inform me. What's the meaning of this? Do you know how worried we were?
Last thing I remember, you drove me from Lagos.
Kamsi, you and I know that nobody loves you or like you more than I do. I may have a weird way of showing that, but I do. You see this stunt you pulled? Do not try it again. I need to know where you are at all times.
But you have people, personal security guards looking for me already. So I'm sure you're paying them, want me to still do their job.
Watch your mouth, Kamsi.
Alright, fine. Bye.
Thank God it's fine. This boy will not kill me.
She's very mad. But she'll be okay.
Well, at least he took the initiative to call you. But then, if you had kept him with you, you won't be out here running around looking for him.
Olivia, you met my brother just once and you have turned to a fan. Am I supposed to have him in the house while I do all that I do? Huh? I work all the time, so I need time to flex. You know what? I'll get him a job and I'll make sure he stays far away from me.
What if he wants to stay with you?
Trust me, Kamsi will want to stay far away from me.
Why? Is it that two of you don't get along or what?
Yeah, we share a strange kind of relationship. He's my brother and I love him so much. But if we stay together, there's going to be a volcanic eruption because he'll definitely not agree with some certain things that I do, and they'll also not agree with some of the things he does. We'll fight, we'll argue about it, but trust me, he is the best brother in the world.
Aww.
My friend, get out. At least it's fine. That's the most important thing, right? But if he tries this stunt again, I'll deal with him.
I'm sure he won't do that.
Yeah, I have to get going.
Alright, baby.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay,
Yeah, bye.
shut the door.
Yeah, sure. I hope I'm doing the right thing.
What's up?
Olivia, what's up?
Well, I went to the office to pick something up. Is there any problem?
I just had lunch. I'm going home. I want to know if we can hang out tonight.
I don't know. But I just left the office now and I'm heading home. So once I get home, I'll let you know what's up, right?
No excuses. You're going home and I want you to give me feedback. We are hanging out tonight.
Yes, ma. I'll call you when I get home.
How could you? How could you, Olivia? Who the hell do you think you are?
Are you mad or something? Why would you walk into my place and slap me?
Really? You asked me what is happening. You knew everything that has happened. All this while I've had betrayers as friends. Are you kidding me?
What's going on here?
I know how this looks.
You don't know how this looks. I've been running around, searching everywhere, looking for my brother, calling everyone, calling the police, everyone that I know that can help me. Why you kept my brother in your house? Kamsi, what are you doing here?
I'm not a child anymore. I can be where I want to be anytime.
Shut up your mouth! You have no right to say anything. As far as I'm concerned, you are a child and you always remain a child.
If that is what all of this is about, just calm down and hear me out, please.
Calm down and hear you out. I should calm down and hear you out. My brother has been here in this house and you didn't tell me anything. Only God knows what you have done with him. But you see this one? I'm not letting it go. Matilda, can we talk about this? You knew about this, so there's nothing to talk about. Olivia has gone overboard. Olivia has made me an enemy. I'm not going to forgive this. Kamsi, let's go.
Let me at least grab my bag.
Get it and let's go!
You really need to stop treating me like a child!
As long as I am Matilda, as long as I remember Matilda, you will always be a child. You will forever be a child, Kamsi. What were you doing with Olivia? Do you know the kind of person she is? Do you even know the kind of life she lives?
Exactly the lifestyle you live! Hey.
So now you want to compare me with Olivia? Now Kamsi, you are comparing me with Olivia, Abi? Eh?
Yes! Because you two live exactly the same lifestyle, no difference!
We live the same lifestyle. And you think that is the kind of life you want to live? She is not your mate. She is old enough to be your mother. What were you even doing with her? What do you want to get from this?
Don't the funniest part. I wasn't even doing anything with her. If I wanted to, I would have done it. Look, I know you're my sister. I love you and I appreciate you. But you need to learn how to draw the line. I'm not a child anymore.
You're saying that to me?
Yes, I am. And if I want to be with Olivia, there's nothing you can do about it. I mean nothing!
Kamsi! Kamsi, you can't just talk to me like that and walk away! I warned you. I told you this is going to go bad.
Yes, you did. But I was also trying to look for you the right time to tell her the truth. I know what happened is wrong. Yes, I'm not ashamed to admit it. It is wrong. But Matilda has no right to hit me.
Are you serious? You're still talking about right to hit you? Matilda is your friend. She's our friend. You see, with this whole thing that just happened, you've messed everything up. And if you know what is good for you, better stop this whole thing now.
I've gone too far to stop now.
What are you talking about?
Don't you get it, Sandra? I have feelings for Kamsi. And I'm not going to throw away those feelings for anything in this world, not even my friendship with Matilda.
You have feelings for Kamsi. Kamsi
Kamsi is a small boy.
What I feel knows no age, Sandra. I have feelings for him. And if Matilda wants to bring a battle, then I'm war ready.
When two hearts truly connect, it can hardly disconnect. When two hearts really bond.
Matilda, you are not the only stubborn person here. I know you're mad at me, you're angry with me, but I'm not going anywhere. I need my privacy. You'll get it once I'm gone. What do you want? I am sorry. I know I found out about this, but even at that, I didn't know what was happening. I'm not here to justify myself. I'm here to tell you that these things can be settled. You don't need to go to war with Olivia over nothing. Kamsi is not a child.
Kamsi is not a child. Kamsi is not a child, but he's a kid to me. What does Olivia want from him? Olivia is way older than Kamsi. What does she want? Does she want to sleep with him? That's if she has not done that already.
I don't know if she has or she has not done that. But whatever the case is, don't spoil things.
Oh, Matilda is now the one spoiling things, eh? When Olivia took my brother, kept him in her house. For what? I came looking for my brother and she could not say anything. You were there. Kamsi is under my care and I'm not letting Olivia mess his life up.
Have you even asked Kamsi what he wants?
I should be asking Kamsi what he wants, or I should be asking Olivia to stay away from my brother.
Matilda, I don't want you and Olivia going to war over nothing.
Olivia started this, so she should be ready for it.
But we are all friends.
Friends? We are all friends. We are all friends, but Olivia took my brother, kept my brother in her house. I came looking for my brother and she could not say anything. And you're here telling me that we are all friends. Oh, that's what friendship is all about.
Hi, Olivia. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay. Hope you're good.
Yeah, I'm fine. Well, I'm sorry, okay? I didn't know she was coming.
That's fine. It's alright. I understand the difference between you two. I just have to sort it out.
I miss you.
When two hearts truly connect.
Cam, did you hear me?
Hardly disconnect.
I said I miss you.
Yeah, I heard the first time. Thank you.
Really bond. The women strong no matter what goes wrong.
Coming!
There will be opposing forces.
Kamsi,
Fight.
what are you doing here? Matilda will have your head for this.
Olivia, listen. I'm not 17, okay? I'm 22. I can be anywhere I want to be at any time, okay?
I know that, but as far as this state is concerned, Matilda is responsible for you. And believe me, I understand her grievances. I understand her anger.
Then you should understand my love too.
What did you just say?
Olivia, I stayed in your house for 1 week. And under that 1 week, you got me a job. You didn't even ask anything in return. I know how many times my sister called you for you guys to hang out at night, but you said no. What's the problem, Olivia?
Whatever it is inconsequential, okay? What is most important is that you've got a job now and you found your sister.
My sister was never missing. Neither was I. Listen, Olivia. I know how you feel. I mean, your eyes says it all. Your body language. Your movements. I see it all. But your lips is not just saying it. I feel maybe you don't think I'm going to accept it. Or my sister will not accept it.
Stop trying to read me, Kamsi. I'm not a book.
You already made yourself readable to me. Okay? I see you. I could read you.
Whatever I think of you and however I feel is my problem, okay?
And you make it our problem. Let's see if it's gonna ease up a bit.
What are you talking about? You don't know what you're saying. I've done things, Kamsi. Things I'm not proud of.
Things like what, Olivia? Things like what?
I've had threesomes with your sister. So if we get together now, how will she take it? That's the problem.
If loving you is my problem, then I think we'll have the same problem because I love you, Olivia.
Boy, you make me feel like I'm not
Hey, no but. Just allow yourself to be loved, okay? Shh. No buts.
No matter what they say, I want you. No matter how they feel, I need you. I'll do every little thing just to be with you. And the most of all.
Come to Yonna. Where are you coming from?
I want to see Olivia.
You went to see who? You went to see Olivia.
Just slap it becoming old. Probably try something else. Use your leg or something.
You need to watch your mouth with me.
Look, Matilda, I know you're my sister. You care for me, you love me. But you should stop treating me like a child and learn how to trust me.
Yeah, come here.
This is just the beginning. If you insist on being in Kamsi's life, the next will end your life.
My head!
Calm down. Olivia, I really need to calm down. You should expect something like this from Matilda.
I will not calm down. I will not. What? I haven't done anything to Kamsi. Take it easy.
Sorry.
I haven't touched Kamsi. And Kamsi hasn't touched me either. So why would she do this? Attack me in my house? Nah, she'll get a payback.
So what are you going to do now? She attacked you. You want to attack her. Then what?
Whatever the problem is, it can be sorted out. But you see, I will not let Matilda walk over me. No, I will not. She sent me a message here. She will get a reply.
Calm down.
We are doing it up here. You want to my head.
Kamsi, you see the insult you are bringing my way.
Hi, Matilda. Good evening.
Thunder fire you and that your good evening. Because of you, Olivia came to my office and destroyed things.
And because of me, you went to Olivia's house and attacked her with a baton. What's wrong with both of you? Why can't you two just act your age for once? If you guys are behaving like this, how am I supposed to behave?
Did you hear yourself? You are my younger brother. You are under my care and I pay your bill.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You can now stop paying my bills. I have my job now. I can pay my bills by myself. Okay?
Where are you going? I'm talking to you and you're walking away. Where are you going, Kamsi? Are you mad? I'm talking and you're walking out on me. Are you mad? Where are you going?
I'm an adult, okay? I can go wherever I want to go to. In fact, you didn't want me to stay in your house, right? So why are you complaining now?
Kamsi, if you leave this house, you will never find your way back into this house. Trust me on that.
Alright, that's fine. Let me leave first. We'll talk about that one later, alright?
You see, you are growing wings, eh? You are growing wings. This boy will drive me crazy in this house.
Where is Kamsi?
He left.
What do you mean by he left?
Kamsi left my house today. And I'm not surprised if he has moved in with Olivia.
Why will he do that?
The same reason you decided to shut up your mouth the moment you found out in the first place.
Come on. You should let go of all these things. This thing is getting out of hand.
It has gotten out of hand already. My younger brother, who has always wanted to be with me, suddenly decided to walk out of me today. Olivia must collect.
Kamsi is an adult. You can't pin it on Olivia even if he decides to go to her place.
Are you here to speak for Kamsi? Or are you here to speak for Olivia? It's obvious you're not on my side.
Oh, I am not on anybody's side. I'm on the side of stopping this madness.
This madness? This madness, as you call it, has already gotten beyond what you can handle. Olivia will get what is meant for her.
Seriously, you guys really need to settle this. Come in. Kamsi.
Olivia, can I stay here for a couple of days, please?
You know I don't have a problem with you staying here, but Matilda...
Listen, Olivia, I'm not a teenager anymore. I can make my own decisions, right? So do you want me to stay or should I go?
Of course. My door is open to you anytime.
Truly connect. It can hardly disconnect. When two hearts really bond, they remain strong no matter what goes wrong.
Kamsi, this is not the life I want for you. This is not the life I planned for you.
Affecting them, but love conquers all at the end. Love conquers all. Love conquers all. At the end of it all, love conquers all. No matter the obstacle.
Olivia, what do you want from me? Huh?
What do you think I want from me?
Because ever since I came here, you've practically stopped going to the club. Stopped hanging out with my sister. You stopped going out at night. All you do is go to work, come back home, and that's it. You've never told me what you want. So this is me asking you, Olivia, what do you want from me?
You already know what I want. But the question is, can you give it to me?
Of course I can give it to you. Or can you handle it?
I can handle it. But can you stand the shame?
Stand the shame? It's a man's world out there. people will turn to me. They will turn to you. So can you handle the shame?
I have a thick skin. If I want something, I go for it.
Oh, really? I'm right here. Come get me.
What do you mean?
I didn't leave my sister's place because I was just looking for a place to stay. I left because I wanted to be with you. So are you ready to fight? Because if you are ready to fight, she's going to give you a hell of a battle.
As long as I have you by my side, I don't need anyone or anything else.
Okay. I can give you me if I'm sure I'm going to have you too.
You already have me. Just know it.
Oh.
Matilda, it's Sandra. Where are you? But her car is outside. Matilda! 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 Somebody help! Matilda! Oh my God! Oh my! Somebody help! Matilda! Matilda! Oh my God! Oh my God! Where is my phone? Oh my God! Oh my God! Matilda! 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 Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. Now, two of you can actually leave.
Hey, come on, sis. Don't you understand what I'm saying? I'm not leaving your side until you get better, okay?
This is my house, and I decide who stays and who goes. This is not the hospital. No matter what you do, I will never accept this thing you call a relationship. Olivia, leave my house.
Babe, you're just coming back from the hospital. Can we not talk about all this? Can we just let this thing slide? Okay, at least give them till evening. But for now, you really need to rest.
Sis, I'm not going anywhere. Oh.
You know you really need to handle this, right? This can't continue to go on.
I know. And I'll handle it today.
But you still need to rest.
I can't stand seeing my brother with Olivia. I can't. I will rest so I can handle this once and for all.
Alright. So, what's your decision?
You will find out very soon. I'll go straight to the point. I'm trying so hard not to be more peace than I am already. Olivia, Kamsi is my kid brother, and there's no way on earth you're going to have a relationship with him. I know he's strong-headed. We both are. But nothing on this earth will make me allow you to have a relationship with him. Not on my watch.
Are you sure you want to have this conversation right now?
Yes. Now I'm ready to have this conversation. I've wanted to have this conversation for a while. Now that we're having it, get it into your thick skull. Nothing can ever happen between the both of you. I don't know if something has happened already. But whatever it is, you have to erase it and get back on track.
Off track? So what makes you feel I'm off track? I want Olivia. And I want to be with Olivia.
Don't push my buttons.
I know I'm your kid brother. Yes. But you can't make decisions for me. You can't decide who's going to be in my life or who's not going to be in my life. You can't do that. Olivia is your friend. Why can't she be my friend too?
We are both women.
It doesn't change the fact that if she was a bad person, you wouldn't have had her in your life. I know I've not said this before, and I want to say it now. I love Olivia.
You don't want this fight with me. You want to go into war with me?
Please calm down, guys.
No. It's not calm down yet. I have to clear this matter right here and right now.
I have the right to decide who you be with and who not to be with.
Even Mama don't have that right, Matilda. She doesn't. You can't decide who's going to be in my life. You can't do that.
That is where you get it wrong. I'm not your sister. I'm your mother.
What did you say?
Yes. I'm not your sister. I'm your mother.
Mother? What do you mean? I don't understand.
I was barely 15. He was a product of rape. So, my mom took him on and raised him as a child because she wanted me to have the best in life. So, I decided to stay away, not because I love you less. I just wanted to give you the best in life without being ashamed of the source. And now, today, you decide to look me straight in the face and tell me that I cannot decide for you. I decided to keep you in my stomach when everybody asked me to abort you. I decided to keep you even when I know I shouldn't. I didn't ask you for permission when I did that. I gave you the best of everything. And now you tell me that I need to take permission from you before I tell you who to be with and who not to be with. Before I tell you that you cannot be with Olivia.
So why didn't you tell me? Why play sister?
Because I wanted you to have a normal life. Because I didn't want the stigma of what happened to Robert on you. Because I wanted you to not feel any less of yourself. I wanted to love you, look at you, and raise you as mine. Because I want to share a relationship with you. Now tell me, Kamsi, as your mother, do I still have the right to tell you to stop this madness? Or have I lost a chance?
It's you I'm talking to. What's the meaning of this you are doing? Stop playing with someone's heart. Stop playing with someone's heart. When love calls you, you go see. When love calls you, you go see. When love calls, when love calls, when love calls, goodbye. When love calls, goodbye. When love calls, when love calls, when love calls, goodbye. When love calls, goodbye. You are determined, I am determined now. Come let's play this game together. Come let's play this game. When love calls, when love calls.
All my life I see you as my sister. But spending the night yesterday thinking about everything, then you occurred to me the moment where you played mother. I know you have all the right to like abort me or do away with me, but you decided to keep me. I know that you don't want anything bad to happen to me. And I do not want anything bad to happen to you too. So it is me saying, I'm going to do anything you want me to do. Alright? Anything?
Whatever.
Yes.
I'm also in shock over everything you said. And I'm not in the position to ask you questions. I want to find out more than you are willing to share. And I know we've done Some things, a lot of things. Things that we are now not proud of. And I understand you don't want Kamsi to be with me on that ground. So I've decided to walk away. Not because I cannot fight for this love, but because I have chosen to understand my friend. I've chosen to respect your decision, Em. I know you love him and you want the best for him. And I know you don't see me as the best for him. So I'll walk away. I'll walk away. I really do love Kamsi, regardless of our age difference. I love him. I really do. And I want to go the whole 9 yards with him. But I know it's too late now. Okay? So I will leave like I promised. But I need you to please do one thing for me. Promise me that you'll stay with him. That you'll love him, that you'll protect him. That you make sure that he falls into the hands of the right woman. Please. That's all I ask.
Are you not ashamed to be in love with a boy who is old enough to be your son?
It's love. There's nothing to be ashamed of. When you love someone, there's nothing you can do. The heart just wants what it wants.
I don't know what you're feeling. I'm sorry. This cannot work. We can't be together.
I understand. I understand. Please just take care of him.
So this is it.
Stillbirth. He died even before he was born.
How am I supposed to live without you, Olivia?
Come.
How am I supposed to survive without you, Olivia?
We were living without each other. I'm sure we'll find a way.
How am I supposed to do that? I've never felt this way for anyone before.
All my life, I never saw today happening. I never wanted commitment. I never wanted to be with a man. When you came into my life, and all of that changed. I
don't know how I'm going to teach my heart differently.
Why does it hurt so much?
I don't know. I guess life throws things at us that just twist our arms.
I love you, Olivia.
I love you too, Cam. But now I know that in life, you can only love the people you love and be with the people you're designed to be with. I have to leave the country, okay? Because we cannot be in the same space and be apart. My heart cannot take it. Just promise me you'll tell your future wife about me. That's all I ask.
Just give me this chance. I love you. I really do. And nothing can stop me from loving you. Even if you reject me, I will still love you. 'Cause I love you. I really do. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause I love you. 'Cause I love you. I really do. I do. I really love you. I truly love you. Give me one more chance. I love you. I really do. And nothing can stop me from loving you. Even if you reject me, I will still love you. 'Cause I love you. I really do.
Thank you for helping me pack the rest of my bags.
Are you sure this is the right thing to do?
My love for Kamsi is too deep. I will not be able to keep my promise to Matilda if I see him close to me.
I'm going to miss you.
Sandy, I'll miss you more. But remember what we talked about, yeah? I'll make arrangements for you to get a job. You need it.
Yeah. I'll heed your advice.